Aaron Allen from Kalamazoo Industries. Why having the right amount of horsepower is important. Having the right amount of horsepower is important whether using a chop saw, belt sander, and or belt grinder for a whole host of reasons. So we'll start off with an example. If you're cutting a piece of metal that's 2 inches thick, solid bar stock, using a Kalamazoo Industries 14-inch chop saw with a 5 horsepower motor, you may or may not have enough horsepower, depending on what the steel is. If you're cutting mild steel, you won't have any issues. But if you're cutting an alloy, you will not have enough horsepower to cut through the material, so you will have to go to a unit that can accommodate a 10 horsepower motor because of the material hardness. Because if you don't take into account what the steel is, you could end up recurring the material, break a wheel, and or just burn up a motor. It's almost the same deal with the belt grinder and or belt sander. The only difference is the sander and or grinder doesn't care what material you're sanding, just make sure you have the right amount of horsepower, because you could end up bogging the sander or grinder down and burning up the motor. So when you begin to shop around for a new chop saw, belt sander, and or belt grinder, make sure you not only take into consideration the size and shape, but the material as well. So make sure you start off your research right. Give Kalamazoo Industries a call at 269-382-2050 with your application questions. Be sure to like, share, and click the notification bell. Thank you and have a good day.